Hi friends, today I have a very exciting video to share. If you love Christmas, then this is the video for you. I know many of you are thinking, why in the world am I talking about Christmas when we are in the middle of summer? And I hear you, but let's just take a break from reality for the duration of this video. Let's pretend it's Christmas, grab a beverage, sit back, relax, and we are going to unbox a beautiful Balsam Hill Christmas tree and decorations together. Thank you to Balsam Hill for sponsoring today's video. They gifted me the beautiful tree and ornaments that I am about to unbox, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. I haven't fully taken everything out of the boxes, so some of the things you are going to see for the first time with me. And if you love Christmas like I do, then you know all about Balsam Hill's reputation. They have the most realistic artificial trees on the market for quality prices. Their tree designers design their trees to mimic real-life trees, right down to the shape, texture, color variants of the needles, and they have a huge selection of different style trees. They have white trees, obviously traditional green trees, they have slim trees, full-size trees. There are so many selections. Balsam Hill is having a big Christmas in July sale, so if you have ever thought of buying a Balsam Hill tree, now is the time to do it. They are offering up to 50% off and free shipping. You cannot beat that, and you're gonna beat the mad rush. You're more than likely to get the tree you want, and you don't have to worry about it being shipped in time for you to decorate it for Christmas. So there are advantages to buying your Christmas tree early. I'll have all their information listed down in the description box, and they gave me a coupon code to share with all of you. You can get 10% off a minimum purchase of $250. I will have the coupon code right here. It is Kathleen10 off. Definitely take advantage of this coupon code. It is good starting July 1st and ends on July 15th. Without further delay, let's get to the unboxing. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Christmas. And again, let's just take a break from reality and just picture it's Christmas time. That's why I have red on here today. Actually, I have red, and I painted my fingernails blue and a little bit of white for red, white, and blue. I figured with the 4th of July coming up, and red is appropriate for Christmas as well. What is it, Bella? What is it?
Oh, the box right
Look
here.
at that, we have some packages. Yeah, you can put it right there. There it is. I have the ornaments, the tree skirt, tree topper over here, and then these two larger boxes are actually the tree. It came in 2 boxes, and the tree that I chose is the Balsam Hill Noble Fir Tree, and I ordered the narrow version because I like slimmer trees. That way they're not taking up so much space, especially since I typically put my trees in the corner of the room. But I did order the 9-foot a 9-foot tree with, this one has the candle lights, LED lights, and I like to have a taller tree for this room because it is a 2-story family room, so it just makes more sense to have a tree that's on the taller side. When I opened the box, the first thing I saw was this little red envelope. It says, "Thank you for your Balsam Hill purchase." And in it are it's a quick setup guide. So it gives you instructions on how to set up your tree, which this is not focusing very well. So I thought that was nice. And it also has some assembly and care instructions, how to properly take care of your tree. They give you a storage bag for your stand. So here is the stand with a little storage bag with handles. And they also give you a storage bag for the tree itself. And that is it right here. So how convenient. So I noticed that the stand actually has rubber grippers on the bottom, which I thought is a nice little feature. Also, as I was unpacking the stand, I noticed in the storage bag they have a little container here that you can store additional lights, and it includes additional lights. They also have on this side, not sure what this is for, but this little gadget here, and some little, this must be for these little screws for the tree stand, I assume. And then they have gloves so that you don't hurt your hands when you are shaping the tree. One thing nice about this particular tree, I'm not sure if it comes this way in the full size of this noble fir, but the branches are already fluffed, so you don't have to fluff them, which is so nice, so convenient. But if you did need to fluff the branches, because I know many of their trees, you would have to fluff the branches. Just this particular model, you do not. But if you did, I would highly recommend fluffing them as you go along. So each section of tree that you put in place, I would fluff the branches before putting the next section. Now that the tree is up, let's turn on the lights. To me, that is the funnest part of putting up the tree, is to see it all aglow. And this particular tree has a little switch, a little floor switch that you just simply step on. Now on to decorating, and I'm gonna start with some gold bead garland, and this tree is going to be decked out from head to toe in all gold. So gold is definitely the theme of the tree, but whenever I do my tree decorating, I always like to start with the garland first and then move on to ornaments. So that is what we are going to do, and let me show you what these little gold beads look like. They are so pretty. And what I like is they slide on the string, so that makes them easier, in my opinion, to hang on the branches. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang these. I think I will start from the top and try to leave like a foot in between.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way.
I am so in love with how the tree has turned out so far. It looks unbelievably realistic, and the decorations are just gorgeous. Now to add the tree skirt and the tree topper. So this is the tree skirt, and I'm just so excited about this. It is so pretty. I have not taken it out of the packaging just yet, and I'm gonna do that right now, but I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. It is an 84-inch tree skirt. As you can see, it's ivory in color and so wintry looking. I love it. It does have little snap closures on the side here to close it, that run all the way down. So I'm gonna put this under the tree, and then the last item is the tree topper. And I'll probably need help putting this on top of the tree, but let me show you what it looks like. It's a gold star, and it's all packaged up. Okay, they had this package really, really well. But this is the tree topper. Can't really see it too good. I'm gonna get a little closer. There you go. And it lights up. It's going to look perfect. One thing nice about the star is it comes with this rod that has little loops so you can secure it to the tree, and it comes with little zip ties. You just put them through the loops and secure it to the, you know, the branches of the tree. So wish me luck. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And even if you're not in the market for a new Christmas tree, hopefully it gave you some inspiration and ideas for how you might want to decorate your tree come Christmas. Thank you to Balsam Hill. I will have all of the decorations and Christmas tree linked down below in the description box if you'd like to check them out. Be sure to check out their website for their Christmas in July sale. You do not want to miss it. And remember, I have that discount code listed below as well for 10% off a purchase, a minimum purchase of $250. So definitely take full advantage of that. But thank you again for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bella, come here. That is not your bed. Come here. Come here. Bella, no, no.